Hello, my name is Kenny Tran, and I'm going to be recalling the steps involved in the digestion, absorption, excretion, utilization, and metabolism of the micronutrients. So first, the food goes into the mouth, and the salivary glands will secrete enzymes called salivary amylase and lingual lipase. The salivary amylase acts on starch like amylose and amylopectin. This results in maltose. Lingual lipase acts on fats like triglycerides, oleic acid, and stearic acid. The masticated food will pass through the pharynx, and then a bolus is swallowed to pass through the upper esophageal sphincter into the esophagus, past the lower esophageal sphincter, and then into the stomach. In the stomach acid and enzyme mix with the bolus to make chyme. Chyme increases the surface area of food by breaking it down into smaller components. Then in the stomach, gastric lipase will be secreted to help with fat digestion, and then hydrochloric acid will also be secreted to prepare protein for digestion and activate enzymes. Furthermore, pepsin will begin with protein digestion. The chyme that was previously mentioned passes the pyloric sphincter at the bottom of our stomach into the duodenum to be neutralized by the addition of sodium bicarbonate from the pancreas. The sphincter of Oddi also plays a role in digestion as it controls the flow of pancreatic fluids and bile into the duodenum. In the duodenum, pancreatic amylase is secreted to release maltose. Maltase. Secreted to release maltose. Maltase will release 2-glucose, and then sucrase releases glucose and fructose. Lactase will release galactose and glucose, and pancreatic lipase will break down fat. Trypsin and chymotrypsin breaks down protein into smaller peptides, and carbocypeptidase will do the same. Then in the jejunum and ileum, glucose from the polysaccharides, maltose, and sucrose are actively absorbed by a protein pump and ATP. The same thing is true for lactose, however, galactose is also actively absorbed. For triglycerides, they are absorbed through simple diffusion. Lastly, amino acids are also absorbed in the jejunum and ileum. Afterward, the food will pass through the ileocecal valve into the cecum. The ileocecal valve helps keep bacteria from our large intestine out of our small intestine. The undigested matter will then travel from the cecum to the ascending colon. Water from the undigested matter will be removed and absorbed and form feces. Then the rectum will store the feces with the help of the internal anal sphincter until it is pushed out out the anus, passing the external anal sphincter during a bowel movement. Lastly, cellulose will pass almost unchanged through our intestines but helps prevent hard, dry feces from occurring.